galing ako ng Calgary Police Station, guys. So good morning everybody. So lakad tayo. Meron silang pond dito, guys. Pond. Ewan ko, may mga isda ba yan? Yeah, I think so. Ganda rito ah. See guys. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan banda rito yung ano, yung bus stop nila papuntang McKnight train station. So hopefully dito yung bus. Calgary Police Internship Center. Ayan, may nag-exercise doon mga police. Maybe this one is the exit one. Ganda ng kulay ng ano, dahon, guys, maroon. It's pretty. Saan kaya dito yan? Maybe doon. Excuse me, is there any bus going to McKnight train station over here? Okay. Okay, thank you. That's right, thank you. Apo. Thank you. Ganda naman ng building na to, guys. Thank you. Lakad lang tayo, guys. Ganda ng building na yan, no? So natapos tayo sa police station, police clearance dito sa Calgary. So I think we need to check kung nasaan dito yung bus stop. Ayan, may west wing daw. Pwede naman pala ako ditong bumaba. Mas malayo pa yung tinuro sa akin, binabaan ako ni ate. Maybe doon, may bus kaya doon. Tingnan natin kung may bus. Ano kaya to? Mga bus stop dito, guys, yung number. So we need to check the number of bus kung meron. I think no, maybe there. Oh, malapit na kasi sa airport to, guys, itong McKnight. Let's see. Wala. Sana bus stop yun. Hindi ko alam kung may bus stop dito. Aya, bus stop yata to. $43 ba to? Oh yeah. So dito tayo mag-aantay ng bus. 43. There you go. Gaantay tayo dito guys ng bus. Oh, mainit ah. Doon tayo sa may lilim. Doon ako binaba ni ate kanina. Sana pala naglakad ako papunta rito, mas madali. And then left, then right. Yeah. Warehouse siguro itong mga to.